Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to look at imperatives in English. Okay, so we're going to look first at the use and the structure, how to use the imperative. So the imperative is used for commands or orders. Okay, so it's when your teacher tells you something or your boss tells you something. It's like, do this now. Okay, and we use the base form of the verb and there is no subject. Okay, so what does that mean? We use the base. It's like the infinitive, but there's no to, right? So to do, it's just do, and there is no subject. You don't need to say you. It's just do your homework. Okay, let's look at some examples. Hurry up, we are late. Okay, so it's just hurry up. There is no subject there. Let's look at another example. Call me later. Okay, so this is for you to call me later, but the subject of the sentence we don't use. We just use the verb call in the base form. Pick up the rubbish. Okay, so it's an order, right? Pick up the rubbish. Okay, you can see in the picture there, they are picking up the rubbish. Okay, so let's look at different uses for the imperative, right? So the first one is the commands, right? So sit down, brush the floor. Listen to the tone of my voice as well, okay? Sit down, brush the floor. Then we also use imperatives in requests. It's like, do your homework, please. Take this to your father. Take this to your father. Okay, for requests. And other uses are for warnings. Okay, when you are in danger, something is happening that is very dangerous. So watch out for that car. Don't touch that. Okay, usually it's very fast, right? Because it's something happening at the moment. It's very dangerous. Okay, practice that. Watch out for that car. Don't touch that. Okay, and we also use imperative for suggestions. You know, these are like suggestions that are almost like a command, right? It's like, have a beer. Okay, it's almost like a command, but it's a suggestion. And take a coat with you. Okay, it's almost like a command, right? But it is a suggestion. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.